What's up, everybody? Let me know if you guys can hear me. Good morning, Grand Rising. All right, perfect. So today is going to be a very volatile day, Before we even dive into the charts or look at the markets, we can already see that we have a lot of high impact news, a lot of red folders. So, what can we see? 8:30 a.m. We have USD core PPI, retail sales, and PPI, and we also have unemployment claims right now. Morning, we here. Let's go. Make sure to like up the live stream so we can pop up in the algorithm. And let's go into the charts. Now let's go look at gold. We might trade GJ today since we have some nice setups going on with GJ. But if we look at gold, I want to first mark up this chart again. Give me 1 second. Yeah, there's our selling level, not our buys anymore. And then this can potentially be one of our target zones. So pretty much the same levels that we had marked up yesterday, but instead, we're pushing back down, and we might actually sell from this level. But in yesterday's trade, we caught over 100 plus pips, and it looks like we're about to sell off. Give me 1 second. Sending out the sell stops in my VIP signal room. I do not want to miss out. All right, guys, perfect setup. So, currently looking to sell if we break this level down here of 2165. So below 2165, we can potentially sell since it's the previous low, and it's also been a resistance here in the past that we broke yesterday. We caught 100 plus pips off of. It's a very strong key level, and it's pretty much the level that I would actually want to break, since we're already pretty much far away from this minor level that we have here, where we pretty much already broke it before news. So if we finally break this level here, then this is the level that I might be taking sales off of. Let's see. All right, let's see what ends up happening. Markets are very volatile right now, so be extremely careful. I'm not in any trade yet, guys. I'm just marking up the chart. Where can we potentially buy if market does flip bullish? Let's see. So this up here does look pretty interesting, but it's not a solid key level. But I mean, we will be breaking above SMAs. Let me see. Okay, yeah, this level looks pretty nice. Yeah, we can buy above 2172. Above 2172, guys, we could take some buys, but we'll also need a breakout candle closure above that level. One second. What I'm currently doing is sending out the sell stop and buy stop orders for my VIP signal rooms. Good morning, good morning. So buy stops will be nice above 2172 and sell stops below 2166, 2165, 2166 are on this level here. Hey, what's up? What's up? Remember, guys, we do not trade while in news. We always wait about after the 15-minute candle closure or 30-minute candle closure. So just have patience. Have patience. There's no reason to force an entry. You know, nothing's happening right now. We just had a huge wick towards the downside and, you know, some consolidation. So all we got to do is have some patience and see where market overall wants to head. To have a lot of volatility going on, so just, you know, be careful. Don't rush your trades. Sending out chart breakdown on my signal rooms. Give me a sec. One second, guys. Sending out the signals. All right, 15-minute candle closed. It's currently 8:45. We close inside the range. Let me know if you guys have any questions regarding my markups or regarding my strategy. You know, you guys do not understand what I just did. We have about 30 viewers in the live stream. Let's go. Beautiful. You know, we're 15 minutes after news. We still have a lot of volatility, but market just closed inside the range. So there's currently no trade. I'm looking for sells below 2165 just because it's been a previous key level that market used to expand towards the upside. Now, if we decide to break that level again, it should be expanding towards the downside. And if market does keep on pushing up and break above, then we should break above 2172 to potentially target all the way to 2179, which would be a pretty nice move with a nice risk to reward. But as long as price remains inside this range or inside this consolidation, we're more than likely not going to be doing anything. I enter a buy at 2163. Just be careful, brother. Yeah, we did enter buys yesterday down here around 2166, where we caught over almost 200 pips. It was a huge move that we caught at the end of the stream, and it pretty much hit all of our take profits. So if you caught that buy, congrats. I hope you closed out, because price pretty much just came back to entry today. You shouldn't be in that trade anymore, especially since it gave us a more than 10%. One sec, guys. I'll be right back. Like I said, we're about to catch a breakout. Guys, remember, below 2165, we need a candle closure, and we'll be entering into the sells. Give me 1 second. All right, already cashed out my profits at 50 pips. Wow, that's amazing. GJ looking solid with support at 189.06. You see daily buy. You use daily bias. Yeah. Before I ever dive into my charts and mark up on the smaller time frames, I do a top-down analysis first. All right, we got some bearish momentum. Free trade could get triggered hopefully very soon, so we can get into the sells. I do like both setups. At the end of the day, we have both Nice risk rewards on both the sells and the buys. All right, we are in the sells as soon as we get a candle closure. Guys, I'll be entering the sells. I'm in sells, guys. 2167 would be my stop loss. 2165 was my entry. 2163 will be my TP. Already almost at TP for 20 pips. Well, we're flying. We are flying. I mean, we're melting. Are you using pretty much price action, brother? Yeah, I'll explain my strategy right after we hit TPs here. Give me 1 second. Currently back at entry, guys. We're currently about 10 plus pips in profit. Let me know if you guys were able to enter the trade since it gave us another opportunity to enter. Remember, our entry was 2165. I sent out the sell stop, so the VIP students pretty much got triggered in as soon as price touched it. But you know, we did push down for about 15 plus pips and it came back a little bit up. So you guys should have an entry at 2165. Or if you're able to get it a bit higher, you know, even better. But I do believe we could belt here. We just need the candle closure. It was pretty much an impulse off of a sell stop position. But if we're able to get a candle closure below 2165, we are going to be melting here on gold. I'm already in the trade. I'm risking just 1% on this trade due to the fact that it's already Thursday and I already made my weekly goal with yesterday's trade. This is also pretty much a risky trade since we are trading news. Got 2 entries. Be careful, brother. Entered at 2163. 2163 never got touched. That's our TP. 2163 is our TP for 20 pips. So if you're entering at TP, bro, you're doing something bad. You're doing something wrong. I'll probably be putting my stops to break even once it reaches 2163. Didn't sell up to sell stop in time. Wow. Yeah, man. Just be careful. Remember, the most late you can enter would be about 5 pips. Like after I sell, like for example, if I send out the trade at 21.65, you can enter on 21.64. You'll be only entering about 5 pips late. That's still good, you know. 5 pips shouldn't really make a huge difference. Entering a market where I'm about to enter a class in which I can't use my phone. Should I leave the trade running with the second and TP? If you're in profits, I recommend to close, not to close, but move your stops to break even if you're not going to be aware of your trade. Doesn't matter what situation you're in. You know, if you're not going to be aware of the phone and you're going to have a bunch of distractions, I recommend to put stops to break even or to not trade at all. So just be very careful with doing that. I don't recommend having, obviously, a trade open if you're going to be in class. Or at least put your TPs. Entering at market also probably put a bit lower. Guys, we're about to hit TP1. Do I have this placed right? Yeah, we have this placed right. We're 15 pips in profit. 5 pips is all we need. Let's go. TP1 just got hit. Drop some W's in the chat, guys, if you made money. Let's go. XAUSD. TP1 hit. That's 20 pips. Updating my signal room. Let me know if you guys made money, guys. Drop some W's in the chat. And we are currently melting. 2160 is our next TP, I believe. Let me see, where's that? All right, 2161. And TP2 also got hit for 40 pips. And TP3 is 2159. Wow, we're melting, guys. Let's go. Look at this trade. We are melting. We're about 40 plus pips in profit. Jesus. Let's go. Made about $3,000 today. Plus 40 pips. Beautiful trade setup, guys. 40 plus pips were just secured on this trade. All caught live. Quick, nice 1 to 2 risk to reward. And we should be melting. Move stops to break even. And, you know, our final TP is 2159. I do believe we could reach that since that should be one of our final target zones. It could even drop to 2152 personally, I believe. But my final TP has been placed at 2159 for at least a 1 to 3 risk reward. Big W's in the chat. Cashed out at a 1 to 2 risk reward. That's perfect, bro. That's pretty much all you need. If you risked 2%, you would have made 4% this morning. If you risked 1, you would have made 2%. So, you know, super successful morning. We're 1-0 in the live stream. Let's go. 30 viewers on live. All we do is win. Yesterday we caught a huge, you know, win, and today we also caught another big win. We got the breakout at 9 a.m. on the 15-minute and 30-minute time frame. So we should be melting. You know, we have pretty much all of our confirmations. Price also below both SMAs. We are good. Bro, I closed before I even got to my next class. Hit second to fire trade. Let's go. Yeah, you closed before you even entered, so you're good. Now, bro, don't even look at the charts anymore. Just go to school, pay attention to your teachers, and keep on with your day. And that's it. You made your goal before you even entered class. Who does that? You're still, I don't know if you're a high school student, college student, but look at you. You're making money while in school before you even entered class. Wow, I guarantee you that 99% of the other students in your school are not doing what you're doing. So, big congrats for you, brother. Can I re-enter cells? No, the trade already happened. We already caught about a 1 to 2 risk reward, 40 plus pips, and I already got out since stops were already price came back to entry and it hit break even for those of you guys that didn't close out. So no reason to re-enter. I mean, the market looks like it's going to keep on shooting down, but it's already too risky since the original move already happened. So there's no reason to enter sells again. The trade already hit. It was a 1 to 2 risk reward. Phenomenal morning. Within like 5 minutes, we hit our take profit too. So there's no reason to re-enter. Let's take a look at GJ, see what's going on. GJ, we can obviously tell that there's a very strong key level down here. We could potentially take sells off of if we get a breakout below that level. And it's pretty much, I'd say we can take some buys here around this level here. Yeah, GJ does look pretty nice as well. Do you use same lot size on GJ? So I have a 200K account with Alpha, and then I have other account sizes on my other accounts. With my 200K, I usually go for like a 10.0. I don't really like using big lots because I feel like when you use big lots, you're pretty much risking more depending on where your stops are. But I like risking a bit less than what I'm supposed to. So I would usually go for like a 10.0, 8.0 lot sizes. And if I would go with an 8.0, and then I would take probably two positions, it would equal 16 lots, and then I would have like a 20 pip stop loss. And at the end of the day, that's what I'm supposed to be risking on a 200K. But usually around 8.0, 10.0 lot, that's what I use on GJ. Don't really like risking too much. On gold, I would probably go with like a 5.0, max 8. What's up, guys? So I might be ending the stream shortly since we already caught about 1 to 2 risk rewards. So we're ending the stream shortly. Phenomenal trade. GJ, if we get an entry here, I'll be sending it out in the VIP signal room. So if you guys want to participate in my VIP signals where I send about 2 to 3 signals per day, huge bangers all the time. We average about an 80-85% win rate every single week. Make sure to join with the link in the description below. It says there's a wait list, but everybody for this week I'll be accepting in as soon as possible. So don't worry. But if you're in the wait list, you'll be accepted this week. GJ signal, if the setup happens, I'll be sending it on the VIP signals. For those of you guys that are new, my live stream schedules are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. I live trade gold and GJ, and I live trade for free, guys. I share my strategy and I try to give you guys as much free education as possible. Now, make sure you guys subscribe, thumbs up, like the stream, and I'll see you guys again next week. Phenomenal week, guys, and I believe we finished off about a 12%, for the week. So, great week. We didn't, I think we lost on Tuesday, but we recovered, pretty much came out super positive. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again next week. Let's go.